Hello guys, hi, how are you? Today I'm going to teach you how to delete like Instagram account. Some people have many confusion, like lots of settings are changing in Instagram always because of new updates, upgrading. So that's why. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to show you now. Let's go. So this is your like profile icon. You can press here and you can find here like setting. Even in mobile or Android you can find like a 3 dot type. So when you will press there when you will press there, you will find here like setting, like see, setting and privacy. When you click here, after setting and privacy, you will find here like what's called account center. Okay, account center. Even in mobile you can find like this account center. Okay, so at the right side you can find. So you click here. After click in account center, go in personal and details. Okay, in personal and details here. Okay, so I'm going to press here. Then you can find your account ownership control. Okay, when you press here, after pressing here, you will see here deactivation and deletion, both option you can find here, permanently and temporarily. You can do it. First of all, you have to click here and then click your profile. Here you can see, okay, there is a two type. Deactivation your account is temporarily, okay, and another is deleting your account is permanent. So your wish which one you want. So I'm going to choose like permanent one. So mostly people like permanent one cannot find, so I will show this one. So you can press here and continue. After continue, you have to write your password. So I'm going to write my password here. And finish password, continue. And it will be delete. So you can write any reason here. Okay, any reason you can put here. I recommended this, and continue again. Delete my account, finish. So now you can see we have to wait few seconds. Khalas, account is deleted. Thank you for watching full video, and I hope you learn. And if is there any like confusion, you can like comments me in my comment sector, and please like the button and subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay, thank you.